Happy holidays, everyone, and thanks for joining me today on this very special episode. Today I'm going to teach you how to make my Kimballism sugar cookies. Fa la 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 la. It is a delicious cookie, and they're great to give as gifts because who doesn't love getting cookies for Christmas? But first, we need to go over the shopping list. Now that you went shopping and you've got all the ingredients to make this delicious cookie, let's get started. Well, first we need to do is take 1 cup of butter Crisco. And then you want to take the sugar, which is half a cup. And then we want to blend it with medium speed. I love this part. I'm a-making sugar cookies, fa la 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 la. Alrighty, that is really well blended. So we're ready to add the rest of our ingredients. First, we want to throw in an egg. Yeah, let's get that blended in there really well. And now you want to put in about 2 1/4 cups of all-purpose flour. Look at that. Oh, yeah. We're going to blend that in really nice. You really need to mix this really well. Have you ever noticed baking can be very relaxing? And then you think about it and you say, oh my God, everybody's going to really love these cookies. You know, and you don't want to make them all the time because I don't think they're the healthiest cookies in the world. But hey, it's holiday season. So live a little. We're going to need to add vanilla extract, and that's about 1/4 tablespoon. And of course we have almond extract, and that is also 1/4 tablespoon. We must mix it well. Last but not least, let's throw in a little bit of salt, and it's 1/4 tablespoon. We want to have a really good consistency on the cookie. Now that our dough is all mixed, we're ready to move on to the next step, which is to roll them into balls and make them look like sugar cookies. I like getting my hands dirty here. Yeah. Let's start making our cookies, and that is to make them into little meatballs. And I use a toothpick to keep the distance between my cookies. These are my favorite little cookies, though. They're so sweet. They go lovely with anything. And you see everybody's eyes light up when they see them, you know. They go, ooh, cookies, yay, Christmas cookies. It's not a perfect science, but that's what makes these so, you know, love and care is put into every cookie. And each one is unique upon itself. It's not like manufactured cookies where every cookie comes out, it looks identical to the other cookie. So now that we've made our cookies into meatballs, it's time to squish them down and get them ready for being nice little sugar cookies. Now, I like to grease my hands just so the dough doesn't stick. So I'm just going to squish them down. Woo, making them look like lovely sugar cookies. Here we go. Yeah. Yep, just keeping grease my hands so that nothing is sticking. The dough's not sticking. These are going to be lovely looking cookies when they're done. Now my fork, I like to do a crisscross with them. Makes it fancy. Here we go. Time for the colors, the sugar sprinkles. Ooh, look at that. I'll do every other one. Ooh, there we go. So pretty. Let's do a little green. Get into the Christmas spirit here. We can actually do sprinkles, the colorful ones, for the kiddies. They always love colors. Yep. Let's go with another green. Now we're ready for the next step. You'll want to preheat your oven to 400 degrees. Set the timer to 5 to 7 minutes. Once they're done, pull them out, let them cool for a minute or two, and then transfer them to a cooling rack. Wait, and then enjoy them and eat them. Now you know how to bake my Kimballism sugar cookies. See, wasn't too difficult. Now I'm going to sit back and watch some holiday movies, have a cup of tea with my cookies, and I want to thank you for subscribing, supporting, and commenting on my channel. Everyone, have a fantastic holiday. See you next time.